The Oral-B IO Series 2 electric toothbrush delivers impressive battery performance designed for modern lifestyles. On a full charge, the IO Series 2 provides up to 14 days of regular use, assuming you brush for 2 minutes twice daily, as recommended by dentists. This translates to approximately 56 minutes of continuous brushing time, giving you plenty of power for consistent oral care. The toothbrush uses advanced lithium-ion battery technology and charges completely in just 3 to 4 hours using its convenient magnetic charging base. The magnetic charging system eliminates traditional ports, ensuring a waterproof design while providing reliable charging with LED indicators to show the current charge status. Recent models feature enhanced battery management systems that prevent overcharging and improve overall battery longevity, making the IO Series 2 a reliable choice for daily oral care. Proper charging habits are essential for maximizing your Oral-B IO Series 2 battery life. The magnetic charging system requires specific care to maintain optimal performance. First, avoid overcharging by removing your toothbrush from the charger once it reaches full capacity. Leaving it plugged in continuously can reduce long-term battery health. Always charge and store your toothbrush at room temperature. Extreme temperatures can significantly impact battery performance and lifespan. Optimizing how you use your toothbrush can significantly extend battery life. The cleaning mode you choose and your brushing technique both affect power consumption. Use the lowest effective cleaning mode for your needs. Gentle mode can extend battery life by 15 to 20% compared to intense cleaning modes. Proper brushing technique reduces motor strain. Avoid applying excessive pressure, which forces the motor to work harder and drains the battery faster. Regular maintenance and smart app features help optimize battery performance. The Oral-B app provides valuable tools for consistent usage patterns. Keep the magnetic charging points clean and dry. Debris or moisture can interfere with charging efficiency and reduce battery performance over time. Replace brush heads every 3 months and use app-based reminders for consistent brushing habits. Regular usage patterns help maintain optimal battery cycles. For long-term battery health, perform a complete discharge and recharge cycle once monthly. This helps calibrate the battery management system and maintain accurate charge indicators. When storing your toothbrush for extended periods, maintain a 50% charge level. This prevents deep discharge damage while avoiding the stress of full charge storage. Following these optimization tips can extend your IO Series 2 battery life significantly. Proper charging habits, appropriate usage modes, regular maintenance, and smart long-term care will ensure years of reliable performance.